Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today I bring you very important news. There is a vacancy at Delhi Public School with salary as per 7 pay commission. PRT will be getting salary around 69,000, TGT will get 88,000 and PGT will get 93,000 per month. So if you're a teacher or looking for a job at reputed school, this video is for you. Stay tuned till end for eligibility, how to apply, salary detail and tips for interview success. So here vacancy is for pre-primary, and for pre-primary minimum qualification required is graduate with B.Ed and 6-month bridge course in elementary education. They will be getting gross monthly salary of 63,000 and CTC of 69,974. Then next vacancy for TGT all subject, qualification required is graduate with B.Ed and minimum 3 years of teaching experience in classes 6 to 10. Their gross salary is 79,992 and CTC of 88,228. Then for PGT minimum qualification required is postgraduate with B.Ed and minimum 5 years of teaching classes 11th and 12th. Their gross salary is 84,728 and CTC is 93,417. Then vacancy is for counselor as well as wellness trainer. For them qualification required is graduate or postgraduate in psychology or postgraduate in child development or graduate postgraduate with diploma in career guidance and counseling. Minimum 3 years of counseling experience in recognized school. Then application also invited for performing art, art and design, library, health and physical education, special educator, student leadership and life skill program. So qualification will compensate with qualification and experience. And other perks are contributory PF, DA which is revised twice a year with effect from January and July month, LTC, leave encashment, free transport, gratuity, free education to 2 children for confirmed teaching staff. Now let's see this vacancy is for which school. So this vacancy is for Delhi Public School, Pune. Now let's see how you can apply for that. So you can apply through teacher application form which is available at 100 rupees and it is available online only. Hard copy will not be accepted. Now how you can apply for this? For that you just need to go down. Here application form is there. You just need to click on application form. But before applying you should have few documents with you ready, like your PAN card, Aadhaar card which is not mandatory, then your certificate, scanned copy of resume which include photograph in PDF or Word file but less than 1 MB. Do not upload photograph or JPG of your resume. Then soft copy of your colored passport size photograph focusing on face which is in JPG format. Size limit is 500 KB. Then your scan signature in passport size JPG with maximum size of 200 KB. So with this document you can apply, and if you have any query you can mail them at careers@dpspune.com. So now let's click on the application form. So once you click on the application form you are going to get this form where in first page they are asking you personal information, in second they will ask you qualification and experience, and in third it will be final step. So let's see what are the information they are asking. First, job information, for which class you are going to apply, like for 1 to 3, 4 to 5, 6 to 10, 9 to 12, 6 to 8 or 11 to 12. Whatever classes you want to teach, just select here. Then select your subject. Here all the subjects are there. Whichever subject is yours, just select that subject. You can choose multiple subject as well. Then here you need to write your name, date of birth, birth state, gender, religion, category, Aadhaar number, PAN card. But make sure Aadhaar card is not compulsory, PAN card is not compulsory because they don't have this star mark. Even caste and category is not compulsory. Then you need to fill all this. Then your contact detail, address, permanent address. Then next, your children information, your family information. So first fill all this, then click on next button. Next, in the qualification, you need to fill your detail of 10th, 12th, graduation, post graduation, MPhil, PhD, B.Ed, M.Ed, C.Ted. So whatever you have, you just fill. Then proficiency in language and computers. So like English language, Hindi, Sanskrit, Marathi, Punjabi, all language they have given. Next, work experience. How many work experience you have? Then fill the detail. Then the last, job information. If present where you are working, fill that detail. Then specify other function area with you have experience. If you have any other like assessment and CBSE related work, performing art, so you can check this box. Then detail of seminar or webinar attended last 3 years. Then you can upload your document like passport, scan, resume, declaration I agree, and click on submit button. Once you complete all this, you are going to get one application number. After getting application number, you need to come here where it is written proceed for payment if recruitment form already filled. So you just need to click here. Then you are going to get this page. Here you need to enter your application number. Once you enter your application number, you will get automatically your name, your father's name, and your status. Then click on proceed, and you need to pay 100 rupees online. Once you do your payment, your application form is complete. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hype, like, and subscribe to MJ Manjari, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos on teacher career advice, salary breakdown. In comment below, please let me know which subject do you teach. Are you planning to apply for this vacancy? I'll be happy to help you. See you in the next video. All the best for your application.